Here's a mess today. I am at the Rain Park again because I'm a little obsessed with this thing. I was coming by because yesterday I came here with my family and I saw a bunch of stuff starting to grow, which is very, very cool. So last year we planted a ton, I gotta find, there it is, a ton of these daffodils. And I gotta say, only a few of them came up last year, and now I've counted, oh man, at least 100 are coming up. They are all over the place. There's one, and there's one, there's one. These right here. This is a daffodil. That's a daffodil. Very exciting. Very, very exciting.
I thought we were going to see the turtle.
All right, let's go see the turtles. There are literally hundreds of daffodils coming up. There's one over here. There's another, and another. There's two of them. Come up over here on this little slope. There's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's really cool. Last year, not so many popped up. More daffodils. There's one. There's two more. There's two more. This whole slope is just covered in them. In about, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, they'll start to bloom. And then they'll go down. And at that time, all this other stuff that's been planted will start to grow up. Which is exactly what you want to do. You want to have your yards and your gardens set so that you have spring color, and then as soon as that starts to fall back or die down, you'll have early summer, and then midsummer, late summer, early fall growth that comes in to really bring in another aspect of your garden. And that's what we did here. Right now, it is looking good. We're also going to be doing a bunch of planting this spring. It's only March 20th something right now, and then on April 7th or 8th, we're going to be doing a big planting of some plugs. We're going to do some cleanup. I thought we were going to do the cleanup last week. Ended up not doing that, so we still got to do the cleanup first. Very excited this year. Totally going to be a different experience. Last year, we did a bunch of seed here, but it got mowed, which totally turned this into a weed field. So a weed field, so I'm really excited about getting it in, doing plugs, some extra seeds, making it look really great this year. Here's a little patch of stuff we planted last year too. This is in the fall. This is a black grass with a bunch of seeds.
There's some under here.
And this is Sporobolus, and it looks like it's doing good. I'm excited to see this stuff over too. So there's some of the black grasses with the Sporobolus, and then you come around, there's a whole patch of it. All those are Sporobolus, some of the black grasses. We also did some coneflower, Echinacea. Here is the remnants of one that we did last year. Still intact. It's going to go back. So, you know, the Rain Park does a bunch of different things. It's got to be park garden, part stormwater management system, or green infrastructure piece. Also, it's just a place to come and kind of hang out. And I gotta say, like, you know, when you find yourself in the space, you know, the thing is that it really offers, I don't know, there's something tranquil about it. At the water, because it's like, it's not flat, it has these kind of hills, really gives you a different perspective on just the surroundings, and it really helps you to slow down. That's at least how I feel when I come here. It's just a feeling of like, let's just hang out, slow down, and just enjoy the day.